Unlocking the future of content. Marketing, the impact of AI on strategy success. Welcome to today's deep dive into a hot topic in the digital marketing world, the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI, in content marketing. Stay with us to explore its pros and cons. First, let's talk about efficiency. AI tools can analyze data and generate content at a speed no human can match. This means more content in less time, a dream for any content marketer. However, there's a flip side. While AI can churn out content quickly, it often lacks the emotional depth and creativity that human writers bring to the table. Content can feel generic and uninspired. On the plus side, AI can handle the heavy lifting of data analysis. It can predict trends and consumer behavior, allowing marketers to craft strategies that are more likely to resonate with their target audience. But then, dependence on AI for analysis can lead content marketers to overlook the nuanced, qualitative insights that come from human intuition and experience. Sometimes, data doesn't tell the whole story. Cost effectiveness is another major advantage. AI tools can significantly reduce the man-hours needed to produce content, cutting down on expenses related to content production and strategy development. Conversely, the initial investment in AI technology can be steep. Small businesses and startups might find the cost prohibitive, making it a tool more accessible to large corporations with deeper pockets. AI also ensures consistency in content quality and brand voice across all platforms. This consistency is vital in building trust and credibility with your audience. Yet, the risk of homogenization is real. When every piece of content is optimized for SEO and engagement metrics, the uniqueness of a brand's voice can get lost, making it hard to stand out. On the brighter side, AI can personalize content at an unprecedented scale. By analyzing user data, AI can craft messages that speak directly to the individual, making marketing efforts more effective. But personalization comes with privacy concerns. Consumers are increasingly wary of how their data is used. Missteps in data handling can lead to a loss of trust and potential backlash against a brand. In conclusion, AI in content marketing offers a mixed bag of advantages and disadvantages. It's about finding the right balance, integrating AI where it benefits the most while keeping the human touch alive. Ultimately, whether AI in content marketing is worth it depends on how effectively it's used to complement human creativity and insight. The goal is to enhance, not replace, the human element in storytelling.